Hello, and welcome to this Marq training on locks. Documents and template locks are a powerful way to ensure that your final projects are on brand and professional looking. Most often, locks will be applied by a member of the admin team to a template before it is shared out with users. Note, users can only apply locks to the documents they create from a blank project, not to copies of templates. Let's explore the various locking options in Marq now. Marq has 3 levels of locks: project level, page level, and asset level. In this video, we'll explore each level of locks. Project level locks apply to the entire project that you're working on. Let's start by pinning open our locks in the upper right-hand corner. Project level locks will allow you to prevent the addition or deletion of any pages by anyone to this project or document. A quick note regarding locks: locks will affect members of the admin team, though they have the ability to turn those off or on as needed. The second level of locks we want to talk about are page-specific locks. We'll access this level of locks by selecting the page as a whole. Here, we'll see that we can prevent individual page deletion. That is, we could say this page cannot be deleted. We can also prevent the addition of adding new content. This is a powerful locking feature that is often missed when templates are set up. By preventing additional content, you're preventing your users from adding new shapes, images, or text boxes to the page you're working on. They can still edit the content that's there, they just won't add additional content to it. This is a really powerful locking feature that shouldn't be missed. Locking properties and settings will prevent users from altering the size, layout, or orientation of the page you're working on. The final level of locks are asset-specific locks. In this case, an asset is going to mean a text box, shape, or image. When selecting one of these options, we'll see our locking options change, and we can adjust the size and position, style, or content of our text box, shape, or image. A quick note about using these locks: you can check the top and uncheck every other option, still locking specific features. You can determine what those features are by highlighting over the small I icon. Here we'll see that just checking style still locks the character outline, character highlight, text alignment, and so much more. You can get as specific or granular as you like in applying these locks to the specific assets you're working on. For example, we could decide we always lock the size and position of a text box in a document or project. If we're allowing the addition of new content, we can force it to the front so it won't be buried or covered by another asset. When it comes to style, we can be as flexible or as rigid as we like, locking down every aspect of style or allowing some flexibility. Finally, when it comes to content, we can lock all caps, small caps, or we can toggle the entire switch, locking everything, thus giving us a red lock, letting us know we have no ability to edit or make changes here. By exploring all of these locking options and carefully applying them, you can ensure that your final product will be on brand and professional looking. Until next time, happy creating.